Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you're back, or if you're new, thank you for being here and welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. I literally almost just woke up. I just brushed my teeth and but I realized that today I'm getting my hair retwisted for the first time because my locks are a month and about a couple of days old and we looking a little rough. It's time for me to get my hair done. But I wanted to come on here and show y'all how it's looking beforehand. So this is the 1 month look for me, and I also wanted to update y'all on these two right here. So about a week or so ago, they were always like unraveling, but they unraveled to almost the very end, like the very bud. So annoyed me. I just took them down, and I know I should have done that. Don't shame me, y'all. But I took them down and I twisted them. So I'm really excited to see what my loctician says about these and how she wants to get them started. I'm kind of thinking that they might be best to start in 2-strand twists because I don't think they'll hold like the rest of my hair is holding. But we will definitely see, and I will let y'all know when we come back. I'm gonna look way better when we come back, y'all, like hopefully. But this is the look, y'all. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. And the other side. I'm so happy that my sides are like thickening out. It makes me so happy because before you could like see through my hair, and now it's kind of, bushing out. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you go see my first day locked video because you will definitely see the difference. But yes sir, we doing this. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how my hair about to look. I hope it doesn't look exactly how it looked when I first got them done, because I did love them when I first got them done, but now that they're like big, I don't want them to go back to being small. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want them to go back to being small little babies, but they might just do that, which is fine because eventually they'll fluff back out again. But that's all I got for y'all right now, and I'll be back when I get my hair retwisted. Bye. We are back. My hair has been officially retwisted for the very first time. So I got my hair done yesterday and today is the following morning. So I'm here to show y'all how it came out. I am feeling a little bit about it because my hair is back to the thin state that I didn't want it to be in. I mentioned that in my previous clip. I really got used to my hair being fluffy and like having a lot of body and volume. So to go back to my hair being like more towards my face like this was kind of sad for me, but I figured it would happen. I didn't expect to have 6-month beautiful locks down my back or anything like that. I just wanted them to have a little bit more volume, but we don't. But in about 2 weeks, I'm sure that they'll fluff up like they did last time. So not a big deal, but I just wanted to let y'all know how I was feeling. So she did not wash my hair this time. She says that she prefers to do that when the hair is more locked or the hair is really dirty. So my hair isn't that dirty. I knew that it wasn't that dirty anyway, because it doesn't build up like that. So I don't have any dandruff. I don't have any buildup on my scalp. So that's why we went ahead and pushed back the wash until my next one. But I am still spraying lemon juice on my locks. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I will be doing a video on lemon juice and its progression in my hair very, very soon. I wanted to also update you guys on these two little babies. So she said that we're gonna go ahead and try to get them started in the same way the rest of my locks are, just so that it looks more uniform. She also told me to let her know when they do, or if they do come down, so that they can be on the same time frame as my other locks. We don't want them to still be baby locks as the other ones are maturing. So I have to let her know if they unravel again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me do my 360 that I always do. Here's the side, the back. other side. So comment below and let me know if you guys can see the difference between my retwist and my first day locked. And you know, maybe you guys went through this and your hair was full and then it shrunk again and it got full again. But just let me know about your experiences. If you're getting your hair locked for the first time, if you have any questions about my hair, about where it started, anything at all, please comment and I will definitely respond. I love talking to y'all about your hair and my hair and our hair. So let me know how you guys are feeling and let me know what you're thinking. And that's about all. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. YouTube exit. 3, 2, 1.